Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're here with Brian and Francis.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
We're here at the, we're actually at the very top of Palomar Mountain. Well, not the very top, but close enough.
Yep. We are currently at the old station point for ClubRSX. So, to all my homies from the ClubRSX 619-858-760, we meet sometimes thread. This one's for you guys. It's 10 years after my first run or so, but hey, better late than never. And I just got my car's suspension like fully sorted out, so we're just gonna take it down Palomar Mountain, see how it goes, and hopefully this initial DCD works. My CD player it's been acting up as of late, so my extended mega mix might not work, so we'll just have to go with the final D selection. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay, oh well. Yeah, I've got to get that CD player like changed out anyway. It's fine. It's fine. So yeah, Anna, Jetty, Red line. This one's for you guys. My old ClubRSX heads. Oh no.
No!
Okay, I'll take it. So we're listening to Dave Rogers. So before we begin, I want to make a quick shout out to Nick at SoCal Suspensions for getting my car all sorted out. I am now running Kona Yellows with H&R Springs front and rear. Oh god, no. Do we gotta slow down for this? God damn it. Alright. Okay, you know, I might have to slow down just a bit. Okay, no. Looks like the guy's going at a pretty good clip. I'll know if I catch up with him. So yeah, I had my first Palomar Mountain run about a good 10 years ago. Or was it 11 years ago? 10 or 11 years ago, yeah. ClubRSX. Bunch of fun cats. Although, I think I'm one of the few that's actually like stuck with the car for this long.
Still driving an RSX?
Yeah. I mean, I've got about like 240,000 miles on this now. God damn it, you fucking Infinity. Oh, hurry.
Use a turnout, boy.
Come on, G37. Oh, yes. That's fine. It's fine.
Never turning out.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Slowpoke. Alongside to the left, we have some trees that are, you know, dead. How long ago, like, was that fire anyway, Brian?
I don't even remember, man. about taking us downhill.
Dude,
With your new
like,
suspension.
it is silky smooth. It grips the road really well.
That's sliding around.
If I am sliding around, I'm not feeling it.
Yeah, because I don't feel it either.
Okay, so, well, if I have the ability to go back in time and tell 25-year-old me, what the fuck are you doing? Well, like, doing this with a stock suspension? What the fuck were you thinking, kid? Look at that view. Yeah. I can't believe that I actually did this stock. Oh my god, what the fuck was I thinking? Whew. Oh well. You live and you learn.
Yeah.
But man, I do have to say, this is way more enjoyable. Like, way less scary. That's for sure.
Oh, yeah. There's no feeling of being like out of control here.
Exactly. Like, not once. Not once. Like, I'm just going at a nice smooth pace, you know, not using the brakes very often, you know, just...
Surprisingly empty road today.
Yeah. Of which I am completely glad for. It's fine. Hello. And look at that. San Diego, or Palomar Valley?
Yep.
Yeah. What the hell was I thinking, like, with a stock suspension? God, I'm such an idiot.
I mean, you could have had this when you were a kid, but
Yeah.
even better, yeah, got it now.
Yeah, I can appreciate it more. God. I just can't believe that it's 2018, Brian.
This place hasn't changed a bit. You know what?
No, it hasn't.
No.
Well, except for the burned out trees, you know, but...
Yeah.
God, these turns are beautiful.
Oh my gosh, it's good.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, man.
Oh, it's fun. Ugh.
The joy of driving. Simply driving. Good analog car. Like, you know. You can feel the road. It talks to you. You feel the tires. Everything's working. It's like a symphony, you know? An orchestra, if you will. And, okay, a little turnout there. But yeah, this is going to be the first part in a series of drives along Palomar Mountain. What we're doing is the State Route 6 South Grade Road. Next time we come out here, we're going to do State Route 7. So look forward to that. My goodness. Seriously, guys, like, if you have a chance to come out here and just drive it, like, absolutely fucking do it. Like, especially with a car, you know, that's been slightly modified. It helps out immensely. Like, I'm getting no, like, squealing from the tires.
Oh, no. Not at all.
Man. Ooh. as some of you probably do already know, my favorite anime is Initial D. And this is the closest thing that I'm ever gonna get to it. Well, save for like, you know, actually going to like Gunma.
One day, Francis.
One day.
One day.
Yeah, but see, thing is, if I go to Japan, I'm probably just gonna go to like fucking Tokyo and leave out.
That's true.
The spring issue is going to be out a little closer to summer, but you know it's going to be out. Then,
yep, we're working hard on it.
Yeah, and we're going to be putting out the summer issue, like, yeah, probably like right around con season.
Hopefully around August,
yeah,
maybe.
So it'll still count like as a summer issue.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh man.
When you said what's next for SSB, I totally thought you were like, oh, we're gonna get CB radios like we were talking about earlier.
Oh well, yeah.
Ooh, this turn.
I'm really thinking about CB radios now. Oh, look at Tesla. Passing this grate. That's steep Route 6. A short little run, but man, those switchbacks are intense. So the next time we come up here, you guys, it's going to be State Route 7, which is more natural, a bit more straight, so we can pick up like just a bit more speed. But there are some spots there that are pretty scary. I'll talk more about that like next time. So until then, Brian, is this a Latours?
I don't know. It's more like a, you know, just mountain run.
Okay.
Alright.
Alrighty, so mountain run. That's what we'll call it then.
Oh, and the Tesla turned out for you. Oh, nice. Thank you.
Well, I hope it didn't run out of juice.
Well.
Yeah, because I can tell you, there's going to be no charging stations like out here.
Yeah.
None. Alright. Alright, so hold on a minute.
Yeah, let's take this little trip through the woods.
Yeah, there are a couple more like long switchbacks. But that was the meat and potatoes of like Palomar Mountain. Oh no.
Well, we're hitting a big truck anyway, so.
Yeah, I guess. Ooh, that is a Hyundai Genesis Coupe.
Alright, well, you want to take the sign off here then?
Yeah, let's sign off here, man.
Alright, till next time, guys.
Alright, guys. Keep on
out.
going? Yeah.
Keep on going.